We've been using the Spider Farmer fan in our setup for 2 years, and it's made a huge difference in keeping the airflow just right for our plants. What we love the most about this fan is how customizable it is. With 10 speed settings, it's easy to adjust to whatever stage our plants are. The airflow is powerful, yet it's surprisingly quiet, which makes a huge difference in creating a comfortable environment. We also really appreciate how the fan gently oscillates, covering a wide area so every corner of our grow tent gets good circulation. It's easy to install and stays securely in place, even when we make adjustments. The fan's doable. Its design means it's holding up well to the humidity and heat in the tent. We've had no issues at all. After 2 years of use, this fan has been a solid performer. It's quiet, effective, and really help reduce plant stress. If you are looking for something reliable in your grow tent, this fan definitely does the job.